Welcome to my channel everyone, and in today's video I shall be sharing my first cabin crew interview in Kolkata, which I have attended on 15th of December 2021. To the day of my interview I was very excited but also I was very nervous. I was nervous because it was my first cabin crew interview in aviation industry, and before this interview I have never attended any interview in aviation industry like cabin crew or a ground staff. So I was very nervous for my first interview of a cabin crew. But also, I was very excited because I was totally prepared by the questions and answers. That is why I was very confident. And that day, I was late for 5 minutes because I was stuck in the traffic. That is why I was only 5 minutes late. Where my reporting time was from 8 to 12, and I reported to my interview venue at 12:05. And the name of the interview venue was Howard Johnson Chinar Park, Kolkata. When I entered the interview hall, I saw so many of girls who were looking very beautiful, attractive, and well groomed. Seeing all the girls, I felt good, but also I felt demotivated for a moment because that day I had rashes on my face, which was totally visible. So that is why I had only done simple makeup. I had only applied basic Fair and Lovely cream and Pond's powder on my face with little kajal and new shade of lipstick. That was the makeup that I have done, and these were the makeup products that I have carried in my bag for the interview. So I entered the interview hall. I sat there and I waited there for an half an hour. And after half an hour, because ma'am was taking the interview, ma'am was very busy, and interviews have been already started from 8 to 12. So that is why most of the interviews have done already. So after half an hour, she came and she wrote the serial number over my CV, and my serial number was 174. So when we got our serial number, soon we were called for our first round. And in our first round, we were only three left for the first round. And the first round was communication skills check round, where ma'am asked me about my educational details, because educational detail was the thing which I have mentioned in my CV and the basic introduction of mine. So educational detail was the thing which was flashing in my CV, which which has been the cause for the madam to ask the question. So she asked me about my education background. So I said normally about my educational background, but two of them who were present for the same interview for the same round, they were asked about their work experience because they were probably from hotel management field. So ma'am asked them that what is their experience working over the field and how do they feel that time when a customer is behaving inappropriately with them. So that was the question. See, your base is your CV. However, you are preparing yourself, just prepare yourself on the basis of your CV. If you're adding in a CV that you like you like reading books, then they will be asking you that what kind of movie do you like and what did you learn from it and what was the last movie that you saw and what did you learn from it. And if you add that you like reading books, then what kind of book? It's comedy book, it's tragedy book, it's a story book, and from that book what did you learn? So your answer is hidden in your CV. And yeah, so I was that day in first round I was selected. But after first round is finished, ma'am suddenly called me because as I had rashes on my face, ma'am noticed it. And ma'am asked me that Mona, do you have another shade of lipstick except nude? I said no, ma'am. I have only nude shade of lipstick with basic makeup products. So ma'am said to me that Mona, apply eyeliner, mascara, foundation, lipstick, and come again for the interview on 27th of December. I said okay, ma'am. So in grooming round, I was rejected. I was rejected in grooming round. So I thought that I will be giving my interview again on 27th of December where I will be cracking every rounds. But that day I had a cold, that is why I was sick and I could not attend the interview. But in this coming 10th of January in Kolkata, interview is going on. So I will be attending my interview and I shall be sharing the experience of how was the experience and what was the group discussion topic and everything. And I shall be giving the link in description, so just go and apply online and attend the walk-in interview. And because in each city interview is going on, so wherever you are from Kolkata, from Hyderabad, from Bangalore, from Chandigarh, anywhere, interview is going on across India. So just go and apply online and attend the walk-in interview and give me your feedback of how was the interview and what was the group discussion topic. And one thing, yeah, one thing that I have forgotten to say is that when I was presented that, though I got rejected, but I asked every girls who were present for the group discussion round, and they told me that the group discussion topic was hobby, and this can be asked in two different ways. The first is, what is your hobby, or the second is, what will you do in your free times. And but a girl said that in her turn there was a different topic, and that was, what is your view on social issues. What is your view on social issues? So said she said that in her turn there was a group discussion topic. So in short, what is your hobby on social issues? So these were the group discussion topic. So this is helpful, then kindly subscribe to my channel to be updated.